everyone, in this video I would like to walk you through how to link your employee records to the user account you create for them. In Acumatica, there are two ways to do that. One is from the employee record itself and create that user from here, or you can go into the users screen and create a user and then link it to the employee record. Both of them require you to create an employee first and make sure that they exist in the system. So I will be using the sales demo data today for my example, and I'll be using test 2 and test 3 employee for the 2 process. So first, using test 2, notice that I have this employee created and I am on the employee record screen. Under the user tab here is where you can create a user. So right now the status is not created, and we're going to select a user type to begin. So depending on how your Acumatica is set up, you could have multiple user type and they could look different from what's shown here. But with this selection, I'm going to select general employee and then give it a login. So this will just be like the username that you will provide to your employee to log into Acumatica. You could select to generate a password, have the system do that for you, or you can generate a password yourself. If you unselect it, you can enter a password yourself and then provide that password to your employee. So once you have everything, you can go ahead and click on Save. And notice that the status is saying this user is active. And also going back to the General tab, you'll notice that under the employee login field, you see that it's already tied to this test 2 user login. So now let's go into the user's screen. And from here, let's search for the user 2 or the test 2 that we just created. So this test 2 user account is automatically created from the employee screen when we just create a user. You'll notice that a couple information is pulled over from the employee page. The user type is pulled over. Linked entity, this is telling you that it's linked to the test 2 employee. First name, last name will be pulled over. First name is empty here because I didn't give this employee a first name whenever I created it. But you'll notice that the employee email is pulled over as well. Then from here, you can further assign the roles and make any configuration or setting for this user account. So that's the first way to do it. Now let's create a new one for test 3 directly from the user screen and go ahead and link the employee 3, the test 3 employee record to this login, this user account. So similarly, I'm going to give this user a login. So that's their username, test 3. Again, you can uncheck the generate password and just enter a password yourself and then provide that to your employee. After you've done that, you are going to just tab out of it and then select a user type again from this selection here. I'll just do general employee again and then give it a first name. Last name must match. Now we can select a user type, again, from the list that is created in Acumatica in this sales demo data here. And then we can select a user type for this user, and we'll go ahead and just choose general employee again. And then from here, you can give it a first name, last name. You need to make sure the last name matches exactly to what you have entered on your employee record. So in this case, it's test 3. I think I gave it a space in between. And then email, you want to make sure that matches as well. I just copied and pasted in there. And then from here, let's save this user account that you just created. And then in the linked entity field, you can click on the magnifying glass and you should see test 3 as an entity to link. So once you have done that, from here further, you can assign roles or configure any additional settings you need, but then you can save it. And now let's go back to the employees record and check out the test 3 test 3 employee. So now in this test 3, you'll notice that the employee login here is tied to the test 3 user account we just created. And then under the user tab, you'll notice that it's already created. A user account's already created for this employee. You will not be able to recreate that one because each employee can only be tied to one user login for Acumatica. All right, so that's everything I wanted to show you regarding how you can link employee records to the user account you create. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.